Bulldozer wheel trouble.
Almost done. I just need to push a little harder. Oh, that's bad. I'm hurt. TinkerBot, please help me.
The loader is in trouble. I'm coming right away. Don't worry, loader. I can handle this. Let's go to the repair center first. Stay calm. I will fix you very soon. First, let's remove the broken parts. These gears are broken. They need to be replaced. Let's put in the new gears. All done. You're like new again. Try it out, loader.
Wow, TinkerBot, I feel great.
Your bucket is very important. I'll give you a new one. A strong bucket helps you work better.
Wow, TinkerBot, this bucket is amazing.
Let's weld your helmet too. And finally, wax and polish. All right, loader. You can go back to work now. Stay safe.
Okay, TinkerBot. Thank you.
If you need help, remember to call for help. Bye.
I will work safely. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a safe trip. Great job, loader. You learned about teamwork.
Yes. Thank you, TinkerBot. Without your help, I couldn't finish my work.
Even the strongest loader needs friends. Working together makes the job better.
Yes. Teamwork is very powerful.